The Indian Air Force's MiG-21 fighter jets, the backbone of its combat fleet for over 6 decades, made their last operational flights from Nal Air Force Station in Bikaner, a month ahead of the formal retirement ceremony in Chandigarh on September 26th. As part of the symbolic farewell, Air Chief Marshal A.P. Singh flew solo sorties of the MiG-21 on August 18th and 19th, marking an emotional moment for the force and generations of pilots trained on the Russian origin jet that served for 62 years.
MiG-21, yes, it has been the workhorse of the Indian Air Force. We've inducted it in 1960s and still continuing with it. And this has been actually one of the most mass-produced supersonic fighter jet, if I can say. About 11,000 or so were produced, and more than 60 countries have operated it. It's a design which is very limited numbers, like Delta with the tailplane.
Calling the MiG-21 an aircraft that will be deeply missed by those who flew it, the Air Chief Marshal also emphasized the Air Force's shift to modern platforms that will further bolster India's air defense.
I think it is going to be one aircraft which is going to be missed by people who have flown it earlier. But yes, everything has time and place. Now we have to move on because this technology is old. It's very difficult to maintain this technology now. So we've decided to now call it a day for this aircraft and move on to the new platforms like the Tejas Mark II. Rafales have come in, Su-30s are already operating. So these platforms will take this place.
The IAF currently operates 2 squadrons of the MiG-21, which will be phased out next month. The official farewell in Chandigarh, where the jet was first inducted in 1963, will mark the end of a historic chapter in India's air power.